Today I'm cooking a simple tofu sambal for dinner. It is fast, simple and delicious. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 400 grams of firm tofu, 200 ml of water, 150 grams of homemade sambal paste, 1 red chilli, 2 pieces of asam keping, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, and half tablespoon of sugar. The full list of the ingredients is in the see more link. Start with cutting the firm tofu into bite-sized pieces. In one block, cut it into 24 small pieces. Alright, the tofu is ready. Let's cook. Switch on the heat. Add in all sambal paste. And 100 ml of water. Stir and mix until well combined. The consistency is thick but slightly lighter than a paste. Once the sambal is heated up, add in asam keping, chilli, leave a bit for garnishing, sugar, and fish sauce. Give it a stir and cook for 1 minute. After 1 minute, add in tofu. Stir until tofu is well coated with sambal. The gravy will appear to be slightly drier. Add in another 100 ml of water. Mix until well combined. Cover the pan and simmer for 6 minutes. Stir in between to prevent burning at the bottom of the pan. After 6 minutes, the gravy has reduced a lot and the sambal is getting dry. This is a perfect consistency. Give it a taste. Good. At this stage, more seasoning can be added as before, so I will add half tablespoon of sugar to mellow out the excess spiciness. Mix until sugar has dissolved and is well combined. Switch off the heat and it is ready. Very simple and easy. Now I can dish out and serve. Garnish with some cut red chilli. Let's eat! Wow, delicious and not too spicy. It goes well with white rice and nasi lemak. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!